Alright guys, we're going to do kind of an impromptu unboxing review real quick. I went up to the old Harbor Freight. Don't mind me, I'm still recovering from my horrible cold. I've been sick as a dog for like the last 3 days. But I was getting sick of laying in bed, so I had to come out in the shop. Even though it is 20 below here in Minnesota, that is the air temperature, 20 below. Wind chill, I think it's minus 35 below. So, I went up to the old Freight, and I picked up a 4-inch swivel bench vise. Get you a little closer so you can see. Pull this up here so you can see what I'm doing. I've been wanting to get one of these for quite a while. This week they had an unbeatable deal. It was down to 29 bucks with a 20% off coupon. So I think it was like right around $20. It was like hell, 20 bucks. You can't really beat that, you know. So I went up and got it. I was sick of laying in bed, being sick. I couldn't do it anymore. Figured I needed a good vise for my new workbench. Ugh, so full of oil and schmoo. You know, but I like to ride my tools hard and put them away wet. You know what I mean? Double locks on the side. Standard little swivel base. Nothing fancy. 4-inch jaw will hold the stuff we're working on. It's got a nice little anvil on the back. I like that. Let's see how far it opens up. Pretty good. Even the handle's cheap. Oh my god. So all they do is, this is so cheap. I bet you I want to break this in like a week. The guy said 90-day return, no questions asked, just like the Home Depot. So just under 4-inch opening, so 3 3/4, just a smidge more than that. 4 inches and 1/8. Nice little anvil there, 4 1/4. You know, for 20 bucks, it'll work. So look how cheap this is. For this, all they did is kind of cant one end over, so it doesn't go through. It's not even the actual stopper. They just kind of canted each end, kind of bent it a little bit. See that? Cheap asses. As long as she doesn't break right away. Man, I do like it because it's a swivel. You know, that's what I've wanted for a while, is a swivel. The jaws line up half-assedly. Oh, there we go. Line them up yourself there. Make sure they line up. Alright, total weight. I think it's maybe 20 pounds. The base of it is 5 inches. Overall dimensions is 9 inches long, 4 inches wide, 5.5 inches high. 300-degree swivel base. Replaceable hardened forged jaws. Oh, so these jaws do come off. Pre-drilled holes for bolt down on the bench top. That's all it really says. Central forge. Crazy. How about this little rotating heater here? Actually works pretty good. Cool. Here we go. That's our quick little unboxing of the new vise. I'll keep it nice and short today because I am sick and it is cold out. There's a little rotating heater fan I picked up. It was also like 25 bucks at the Harbor Freight. There's the bench vise. If you have any questions about it, leave them down below. It'll work for now, you know. Eventually I'm going to get a big one, but I I think that'll work for what we need. A little zoom out of my workshop bench here. Workbench. Ended up doing the burnt look just to hide all the imperfections. I built it with 2x4s, and then I got a long 2x10. So the top is 30 inches wide by 4 feet long. On the side here I put a rack for my clamps. And then I have some other storage over here on it. I'm going to put a full plywood, or excuse me, I am going to do a full bottom on here. I just have bought the wood, so I just put these 3 scraps on there, what I had, just so I could put my speakers down there, just for storage. These are actually for my truck, but I don't have room for it right now. So I really like how the burnt wood look turns out. Also, I'm going to put it on 2-inch casters, so it can roll right underneath this workbench over here. So I'm redoing this workbench. I got to take the supports out from underneath here and put a couple legs on it. So I put one leg there, and put another leg here underneath the sander, and another leg here. After I have to finish framing it in. Of course, I've been sick. Can't damn do anything. Got these 100-pound swivel casters with locks. Should be pretty slick. There's the old Anvil stump. Still have that. So that way we can work on this nice big tabletop. Do all our reviews here. And then when I don't want to use it, we can just swivel it right around and park it underneath this workbench. One more thing real quick too. I was thinking about doing a new segment every week, calling it the 10-second tool review on Monday. So I was thinking about doing it every Monday, a 10-second tool review. Just kind of as a joke type thing where I'll introduce, like, hey, welcome back. Today we're going to review the Makita subcompact impact drill. Alright, see you, thanks. And that's going to be it. I think that's pretty funny. 10-second tool review, so let me know down in the comments if you think that's a good idea or not. Excuse my voice, I'm super stuffy and congested. Which reminds me, I gotta take some more Dayquil. Oh, God. Don't forget, people. Wash your hands. Do not get this. It is just gross. Alright guys, so I hope you like that quick little unboxing of the Harbor Freight 4-inch bench vise. And a little update on my workbench. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to smash the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Everyone, thank you so much for the support. See ya. Give me some medicine, yum, 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 medicine for my tummy, so I can breathe. Frappuccino.